Hey y'all, Billy here, founder of Iconic. So I decided to shoot a video per day for the next 30 days of our new product launch, our Iconic Keto Collagen Coffee. So we can take you on the journey and show you a little bit of behind the scenes of what it takes to launch a product. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you the good, the bad, the ugly, and feel free to let us know what you think and hit us up with questions along the way. Without further ado, here we go. This is the very first shipment of our Iconic Keto Collagen Coffee. So, and I'm here in my garage right now, again, being authentic, because this is where it shows up. Check it out. This is the product. You can see, I showed you guys mock-ups before. This is the real product. It's got no sugar, Foursigmatic adaptogens, 100 milligrams of caffeine in each serving. This is our mocha flavor. And of course, it's got MCT in it, artificial nothing, and super clean ingredient list. All you have to do is mix it with water. You can drink it cold or hot. And of course, use any kind of plant milk, almond milk, whatever tastes good to you. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys give it a try. And oh, and part of what we noticed here, this is the very first few bottles we ran. You'll notice a little bit of kind of bubbliness in the sleeves here. I don't know if you can tell on camera. That has to be fixed. So our COO is currently working with our production facility to get these labels updated, because we don't want this shipping to y'all. We want it to look perfect and smooth and nice once it goes out. But this is just the world of consumer products. And when you make a new product and a new package, you never know how it's going to go.